All right, this has got to be the longest Popeyes line I've ever seen in my life. It's got traffic blocked up down the road. It's pretty amazing. Now, this must be the best Popeyes ever, because look at this line. They've got traffic blocked up, and you can see they're going right into Popeyes. I was wondering why the road was blocked off, and then we drove around and we seen Popeyes, because we're actually going to go there. But the drive-through is packing them in at Popeyes. They're really... they want that Popeyes. They want the Popeyes. So over here in Garland, Texas, or Plano, Texas, actually, Popeyes is off the hook.